Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
For the price, it's cool, you know, for like every day in Miami.
Me, bro, I was thinking maybe I go back on a day but I don't want to. Maybe
Right here, that's why I told you come.
Maybe I do a Daytona, or maybe I do a OP with a like a color face, you know, like
They're
a
cool.
pistachio or whatever.
They're cool. I think definitely this is more you, bro, Sully. It's classy.
Can I try
like,
one?
Yeah, of course. Which one?
The
Yeah, both. Try
black
both
face?
since you're here.
Yeah.
I also think Batman's a good daily, bro. No?
No,
Okay.
I don't fuck with those. Bro, but I don't want to put fucking 32 on a Panda when I know it's retail. Is
It'll be
like
less
half.
than 32.
I mean, if you work it out, you and me, why not?
Brother, it's retail is irrelevant. We know this, you know. Like when you buy from me, you never lose much, bro. So this is pre-owned full set, bro.
Which year?
It's I'll check for you now. Give me 1 sec.
They don't have like new version and old version?
Yeah, this is the old version. I have the new version and the other display.
I can tell.
I'm gonna show you the difference too. It's 2024. The new version.
The new version just came out like 2025.
Came out 2024, and that's
Okay.
when. So this is the last year this watch was made, 2024. I like personally this one better. I'm gonna show you why, bro.
It looks small on me. It looks like a 39.
No,
or
it looks
40.
good, brother. So Daytona is always 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, but
The watch looks very classy to me.
yeah, maybe I go for this.
Even this will look cool
But-
on you, Sully.
But I'd rather not get a Rilo Chrono.
But this will look beautiful on you too, bro. Sky Dweller Blue Phase Jubilee.
Yeah, but this is too much like a Datejust.
Can you give me the tray? Really?
Yeah.
Not this one, bro. Let me show you the difference though. And we'll show the YouTube too. For those of you that don't know the difference between the 126-500 LN Panda and the 116-500 LN Panda. Number one, the sub dials are smaller. They say it looks cleaner on the new reference. Me, I like that it's more bold on the old one, personally. Like, money aside, I like this one better. The next difference, you see the bezel, Sully? On the edge of the bezel here is stainless steel. This one, the entire bezel is ceramic. So the old one has more ceramic. And to me, it makes no sense that they did this. Like, this one pops more for me.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And you cannot really tell. Just like the side of the
bezel.
The chrono and the bezel. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you do see it though. Like, after you know this now, you're gonna notice every time, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is thicker. For sure.
I love this more. Even the sub dials, it's just more bold, you see?
Yeah.
Pops more.
But for the price you told me, I'd rather not just put like 5, maybe 10K more than get a.
This is a
another
steal,
AP.
bro. Wait, look, this is a steal. I bought this very inexpensive if you like it. Yeah.
I have so many strap watches that I don't want to strap at all. Like I have like 3 or 4 straps. I don't know,
This
bro.
is cheap, but it's expensive. You know, like it's 48,000 platinum.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna go for a big watch right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for like a 20,
Daily.
30, you know, daily stainless steel.
I love this watch. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think
This is 41?
very good deal. Yeah, 42, brother.
42 or not?
Yeah, it's a Sky Dweller.
But to be honest, I like this one a lot. Can I try this one?
Yeah, that's the new ref. You prefer the new ref or the old one? Because the old one you're gonna save like 3,000, and I have the black old ref too.
Can I bring this one over there?
Yeah.
And see? You can, but...
No, don't change the bracelet. It's not good to do. We get you, like, say if you like this watch,
Yeah.
they make it with oyster.
No. I like this watch, like with the bracelet. I just don't like that bracelet.
Yeah,
You
so
like
I
this
could
one?
get you
Yeah.
this watch with the Jubilee band, but
Yeah.
I don't recommend changing in and out. It's not good. Like, you won't hold your value as good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can I try this one?
of course.
I think, bro, I like this one better, and this is cheaper than a Panda.
Let me see. This looks amazing on you, the black, but so did the Panda. But just see the old ref versus the new.
I like that one
He
better.
likes the black better. It's also probably the outfit, you know? You're wearing
Yeah,
black.
that's true.
But I wear black often, bro. Don't worry,
True.
worry.
Old, new.
Somehow I like
The new one.
the new one
It's all
better.
personal preference,
on
bro.
black, on black. On white, I like the old one better.
I mean, in the market, this is the hotter watch. You like the black, he
Yeah,
likes
but
the
it's,
black.
like you said, he does have a black hat and black shirt on. So.
Yeah, it's all personal preference though. Fuck what like the general public thinks, right? Like,
No,
they're
but
both
this
beautiful.
One, this one pops more, and even there is some black on the on the watch too, so it's not like it's full white. But no, yeah, I like it better than the black for sure.
So, Mr. Jake, the one with the diamonds?
Yeah.
And you want to see this one?
Yeah.
This is beautiful, bro. Factory diamonds, Jubilee and fluted. It's the best configuration.
And this is 41, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know what my brother was doing with a 36.
I would also, since you like the gray face, look at the Wimbledon, just because this is the most popular face.
Yeah.
You know? But black, black,
I like
blue,
this. I like
green.
this. Honestly, I like this face way more than
Gotcha.
that face. Like this, I honestly don't even want to try that on anymore. Now I see blue on my wrist.
You look richer than
I did before.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's instant elevation of your aura, I say. A watch.
This is 41.
41.
That looks like a 43 on him.
That's what I'm saying. It looks big.
No,
I knew it was gonna
I
be
just
bigger on
did
my
this,
wrist.
right? So
Yeah.
look. You have to
when
see it like this, because the bracelet's
that's what I do. You
huge.
see, I always grab it like that and
Yeah.
I look at it like this.
Because when the bracelet's big, it's gonna make the whole watch look big.
Yeah, but 41 is that's the size, bro.
Yeah.
You cannot
40
go.
is fine too.
Yeah,
Anything smaller, I say it's unisex.
but I like stick on him better, or maybe a Wimbledon. No.
He said he hates stick after he sees this blue dot.
I think the blue is fire.
Blue-
At Wimbledon,
fire.
yes.
Oh, you can find you a blue without diamond, maybe.
Yeah,
If
can do
you.
that. The difference is really like, I want to say $1,500 with or without the diamond markers, because those are factory.
I mean, to be honest with you, I don't even really care about the diamonds.
Got it.
I just like the blue.
And I would always
And
buy
is
pre-owned, bro.
Oh, buy pre-owned? Okay.
It's like a car, you know. If you want to be the one,
you can take it off the lot at loss.
exactly.
Value.
Yeah. If you buy new, basically the day you wear it, you lose 10%.
Yeah.
You're paying 10% to be
Because
the
you
first.
buy new, but you will sell it used
Used,
anyway.
yeah,
No matter.
So it
Even
doesn't
if you
matter.
don't scratch it, bro, it's used technically. you know?
Yeah. You guys say crypto, right?
And my brother, you want to see anything? Yeah, we take crypto.
Okay.
USDT only.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys fuck with yellow gold, but I also have it in steel. This is also cool.
Yeah, yeah.
But that,
Yeah, these-
you know
I
the
like the
difference in
colors
the
of these
bands,
ones.
right? So this is oyster and that's jubilee.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that one looks pretty cool right there.
Yeah, that would actually be my top choice.
Yeah.
It's cool that I have one.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have the same one two-tone.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Pentagon? We got these two. But you guys said no diamonds, so.
I was looking at the Cartier, the bust down one. Yeah, the bust down.
Which one?
That should look this shit. Yeah,
Oh, I have a sick piece for you.
I was like looking at it, but then I did some research. Like
I
the
have a
second I
sick
buy
piece
that,
for
it's
you.
just
You
like,
guys like this?
oh, that is sick. I wish. Wait, how much is that? Like.
I'll hook you up, bro. Don't worry. Whatever you buy, bro, I'm gonna hook you up.
No, I'm just saying because.
By the way, that's super respectable. Like if I saw somebody
Yeah,
wearing that,
yeah.
I'd say like, damn,
Yeah,
this guy
'cause, like-
he knows what's up, you know?
I know, yeah.
It also has like green accents in the
Sick
dial,
as
which is
fuck,
dope.
yeah. Does it matter what like USD it's on, or is it just like?
We take only ETH. Bro. I
Yeah,
never even
yeah.
tried taking Sol. People have told me about it, but I've
Solar's
never.
faster, really?
shit.
It's
It is.
faster, Solar's cheaper.
And you can take it on Ledger, right?
Yeah.
ETH is like the.
Maybe I'll
fees
do
are
it first time with
crazy
you
too.
guys.
That'd be pretty sick.
It's good for me to learn too. So.
For sure, for sure. I can show you what's up.
Okay, so on the Wimbledon, I'll do 14.9.
14.9.
So that's this one.
That one? Oh, that. Okay.
That is 2024 pre-owned complete,
Oh, 24.
full set, of course.
That one is pretty fire. That's sick.
So who does this one before?
I'll try this
For
one.
you?
Left
Okay,
wrist
left.
or right?
Left.
Okay.
You're right-handed?
Yeah, I'm right-handed.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
So left wrist. Goes good with your jewelry too.
Oh yeah. Tough. That is
And then
sick.
like once it's sized and
Yeah,
fits
you
you better,
size it.
it's
That's fire.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like the green letters, like they don't stand out too much, but it's like a nice little touch.
Wimbledon, that was the best.
Yeah, it's nice and like shiny. That's fire.
It's like the most baller date, Justin.
Yeah.
You like this?
Like the rose.
No rose gold?
Nah, yeah. It's kind of like be weird on
Something
my
more
skin
subtle.
tone.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still 17, so he's still like with his parents and
Yeah, I
everything.
still have to like talk to my parents
Yeah,
about
that's
this.
crazy.
Yeah, and they're like,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
like, trying to get like the bust down one, but then they'd probably actually murder me.
Just tell the camera how old you guys are. So
19,
that's crazy. And you guys started trading at what age?
like 6 months ago. Yeah, we started trading meme coins like 6 months ago, and then we kind of grew our own like personal telegrams.
Yeah. And you told me you all met each other on Fortnite. Is that what you
Oh,
said?
we met the other guy. So me and him, we know each other in real life.
Yeah.
And then I think
Chase that the
Chase?
other guys.
Yeah,
the other guys
our
are-
friend
Yeah.
Chase, the one that was in the car with us, he met some of those other guys on playing Fortnite and stuff.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just met him on this trip. We all just like
Oh,
like
fun.
an Airbnb together and shit. I'd mess with this, yeah. I'm figuring I can get a size too.
Yeah, exactly. You need like 2-3 links off.
Yeah.
It'll fit much better. This is also full set.
Yeah.
That is 2024.
2024.
Yeah.
Okay. What's like the? Does this hold its value pretty well? I don't know.
Yeah. I'm giving you wholesale pricing.
Oh really? Okay. Okay.
That's fire.
That's fire.
You're
bro.
good.
This one.
Awesome. Yeah, it's just.
I think this one.
This is definitely. I'm gonna probably get this. I'm gonna, can I like look at that?
Yeah, of
Let's
course.
just real quick, just,
That
like-
one actually looks really
You can keep this on, bro.
Thank
See
you.
what else you like.
That shit.
I love this like
That one I can do 8.8.
8.8. Yeah,
This
can I
is-
try that on?
This is 2018. Yeah.
Oh, 2018. Okay. Yeah, it's just like the dial like a little bigger. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
this is bigger.
Yeah.
This is a 36.
Sure.
So,
Oh yeah, it's a little bigger.
and of course, once it's size, it's much better. I would say this is a lot like looks more casual, but still classy. They're both similar. Bro.
Mm-hmm. They
You
are
can't
pretty
go wrong with
similar.
either.
Yeah, definitely.
This is called a rhodium dial, and this is a Wimbledon. No,
Okay.
Wimbledon dial. They're very similar.
Wimbledon and Rhodium.
Wimbledon
Sick.
like tennis.
Yeah, yeah. I think I might go for this, bro. This is pretty tough. Yeah, it's clean. I do kind of like the band on this one more. Oh, it's like
The Jubilee.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if I like the mixed like gold.
Yeah,
Much.
two-tone
Yeah,
people
it's
don't
like-
like that much. People
Mhm.
prefer, even in the market, like they'd rather just steel or gold.
This one is a fire.
Bro, for a
piece.
date trust, that's the one I'm picking.
This is the one.
Always.
Okay.
Wimbledon dial and,
Shit.
and like just steel or two-tone or whatever you like, but Wimbledon dial is my
Yeah.
favorite.
Yeah, yeah. 2024. Is there like a website you like use to look at values of these watches? Or
Bro, you can go on Chrono 24. Have you heard of Chrono 24?
I've not. No, I'm not into like watches.
So a
and
lot of
stuff at
people use Chrono 24. It's kind of like car gurus for cars.
all. Okay.
You shouldn't use it exactly because they are like kind of inflated. But just so you know, I told you 14.
Mm-hmm.
This is not the same because the band is different. Jubilees go for more always. So right now you have 17.5, 17, 16.
And is this a website like anyone can just sell their
Yeah,
stuff on?
go on Chrono 24.
Cool.
No, so it's dealers list on here
Oh,
and
dealers.
and clients buy, like end users
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you.
It's cool.
But yeah, you should use this. At least you get like an estimate of
Yeah,
like what,
for
where
sure.
you're at. you know?
I see like this watch.
Yeah. So this is yours. An Oyster, 9.5, 10.9,
Yeah.
11. Yeah, like the values are all over the place. But you could say like,
Yeah, probably like 9 something. Yeah.
yeah, the cheapest I'm seeing is 9.5. I told you guys way under, right?
Yeah, that's fire. That's fire. Hooking us up, bro. Yeah. So my dad told me. I called him today. I was like, "What did you like say if I like? Is it a bad investment? Like if I spent like 10K on like a watch?" He was like, "Just buy some gold. Like buy like a gold nugget." I was like, "Who do you think I am? I'm buying gold.
Yeah, you'll make 10% on your nugget a year.
Yeah. I mean, like I'd rather just have this watch.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
Flex, I guess. With your Da Vinci Flex bracelet. My Da Vinci Flex bracelet. You know. What do you think about Da Vinci Flex bracelets?
I don't even know what that is, bro.
How much do you think this bracelet is?
I mean, it could be 5K.
Nah, like let's say $50 from Macy's. I bought it as a joke. I'm not even lying. But yeah, I'll get this.
Yeah.
You in that? What other type of watches do you guys have for like say around like 15, 20?
I have bust downs there, like the Rolexes, which could work.
You know, maybe stay away from those.
Yeah,
ones.
no, I
Those
would.
seem
I
kinda
think
risky.
I think you picked the best one.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
That would be my choice for sure, bro.
Yeah.
It looks good on you too.
Yeah, let's go with this one.
Okay, cool. They're really, really durable.
Yo,
But like, check this one out.
that is sick. Fucking damn. Yo, you
This is
want
light,
it.
bro.
That watermelon spec. Oh my god.
And it's look how thin, like it's crazy.
That's crazy. We're here just off like your car, bro.
Yeah.
I saw your car. I was like, holy shit.
Shout out! I met them while driving, like on the weekend, and then we just started talking, and you're there.
Yeah.
They love the car.
That's
Yeah,
how cool
the
you
car
can
is
have the
insane.
cars, the watches.
Boats.
Boats.
So fun. Oh yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
How many did you take off? What I said, 3 and 4.
4 and 2.
It's kind of tight. I don't know. I just feel like it's like
The-
about to burst off.
You can make it a little
A little bit.
looser. We can always take another one off.
No, yeah.
Also.
Oh yeah, this is much better. Yeah.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then, do you guys have boxes and everything already?
Damn. Now you guys are properly dripped out.
Now we're properly.
I gotta
Miami
come back.
citizens.
I gotta
You
come
fit
back
in.
to Miami, like take
Yeah.
my ledger next time. I didn't bring it.
No, whatever, bro. We can also ship or like, you know.
He's not from the
I'm
U.S.
from,
so.
I'm from Belgium. That's far.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I'll be
Belgium.
back though.
You think like if it's like this is like a little too
No.
big if it's down here, like if I'm like.
I like
kinda
it. I
tight.
like it more on the tight side. Like I don't like it
Yeah.
to be moving around.
Me neither,
But
yeah.
everyone's, you know.
No, yeah, I'm just.
It's just
wondering,
personal
like,
preference.
Because I want to like. break
No, it
anything.
looks good. Looks perfect.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations to you too,
Yeah.
bro.
First big purchase.
And you
here,
too,
so-
bro. I know you can buy it if you want, but you don't got your ledger, so you gotta wait.
Kind of.